Hi everybody, it's Christy Sloan here, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you can get started on a free 2 GB account from forever.com. So first you want to do is come over here and log in online to forever.com, and this is the main screen that you see here. So then what you're going to do is along this banner right here, you want to go over here, so you click here on your little button here. And I'm going to sign up today for a demo account. So you'll need to put in your name, your email address, make sure that it's right. Sometimes you'll get your email if you miss a letter, and then choose your password. And then you're going to click here to sign up. So I'm going to take just a minute and do that. Okay, so now it's going to come in here and it wants to know, who sent you to Forever. So you want to click here to find my ambassador, and then you can just put my name. Kristiesloan, and click search. And here I am right here, and then click set as my ambassador. And this will link us together. And so anytime that I have anything or there's any specials or anything, I do get a little bit of commission on that. I'm not going to lie about that, but I'm sure that you will feel like you got your money's worth out of me by things that I will share for you and let you know about discounts that are going on and whatnot. So okay, so now we're in here, and so the first thing you want to do then is to load any pictures that you want to. And this is going to be important for the next part of what I'm going to show you. So go to library up here, or here's this whole banner right here. We'll talk about that later, but we're going to click this little green button here towards the left that says upload. Now when you click that, you're going to find some a thing will pop up here to choose files from your computer. You can actually drag pictures here that you might want to use. Okay, so now you should have your pictures already someplace that you can find them easily. And I have picked out some pictures to put in this demo account. So now just click on the green button that says choose files from my computer. And it's going to open up your files. I'm going to go over here to pictures. I've got something here in this Forever demo that I've already put in here to use. And so I'll just click on all of those. And then over here on the right, you want to click open. And now it's going to put all those pictures in your account. Now then, you can see right here it says upload more or uploading. So it's still uploading. And that's going to change there. It says I'm done. You can either click upload more or I'm done uploading. So I'm going to put I'm done. Okay, so now we've got some pictures in here. And that's the, all it takes to get pictures in your account. And we'll go into some other details in other tutorials on how to use the organizational tools in here.